let's peep in to see what we have done so far. Hi, now we are in the foyer area. Here we maintained a design theme of step, and this is the shoe rack which has been designed in a step format. Here you can easily store your magazines, newspapers and things. Here there is a seating where you can sit and wear your shoes, which is pretty much comfortable. And we have a board length mirror here which actually enhances the space to look double. So further coming towards the living area, here we have a nice crockery with 4 drawers and 4 opening doors. To maintain the same step theme, we've used ledges, simple wooden ledges, which are actually connected by 3 simple vertical ledges. Coming towards the living area, here we have a simple, elegant looking TV unit where we have 3 unorganized boxes which act as storage unit, and below we have the bottom cabinets for your storage, for CD rack and everything, and we have a set-top box space. This is nice wooden paneling done. We've used cool color laminates, very simple soft brown laminates, which actually goes with the theme. Yeah, coming towards right behind the TV unit, we have another crockery unit which actually has got 3 frosted glass shutters which acts as a crockery where you can place all your nice dinner sets and everything. And this is the bottom storage where you have shelves in between. In between we have 3 drawers for the cutleries. Towards my left side you can see a frosted glass partition in a step format. Instead of using common tall units in the kitchen, we've used step format cabinets, basic tall unit cabinets, which actually, to follow the theme, steps theme, we've used step format cabinets. To maintain the same frosted glass theme, we've used frosted glass shutter on either side of the chimney. And here, for more storage, we've used cutlery basket, the thali basket. We have 2 huge tandem boxes which actually acts as a storage, more storage. Here there is a bottom pull-out. We have a bottom pull-out. Towards my left side, you can see a wall-mounted oven unit. These are the normal shutters with the basket inside. Then we've actually maintained the same concept, and we've put more storage using the loft above the overhead cabinets. Now we are in the guest bedroom. Here we've used soft brown laminates, and to give it a more elegant look, we've used dark color laminate overlapped on the light color laminate, which is actually in reverse L shape that you can see. This is the 2 double door cabinet. 2-door cabinet, and we've got a drawer inside, safety purpose and storage. And we've got 2 drawers right below that. Right next to it, we have a tall cabinet which has got shelves inside where you can utilize it for storage. Here, the dead space right behind the door is actually used for storing your hanging your jackets and sherwanis, which will actually become invisible once the door is open. Here towards the corner, we have a study table and 2 ledges. And above is the loft which is running throughout. So now coming towards my left side, we have a dressing unit, a lovely huge dressing unit, storage drawer below, and we have small boxes, small drawers and 1 cabinet for storing the cosmetics and stuffs. Now getting into the kids' bedroom. Yeah, now we are in the kids' bedroom. Here the wardrobe is designed basically with 2 color glossy laminates. One is frosty white, and this is the purple color, which is basically the kids' color. And here on the towards my right hand side, you can see one door of the wardrobe is being sandwiched with the mirror, which acts like a dressing unit. We have drawers right below for storage. and the loft is running throughout. We've kept a very simple, subtle concept for the kids' bedroom, maintaining the same uniformity. We've given two boxes, storage boxes in Z shape actually to make it look different and nice. Yeah, now we're in the master bedroom. And here you can see a huge wardrobe with the corner is utilized as study zone. So here towards my left hand side we have a tall cabinet for storage. We have shelves in it. And right in the center we have a two-door wardrobe which is actually with storage. And right below it we have a huge tandem box. So this is also a two-door wardrobe with a drawer inside. And right above is the loft running from wall to wall. In the corner we have a ledge which is a study table and two ledges in the corner for storage. Towards my left hand side is a dressing unit where we provided 3 niches which acts as storage for cosmetics, and we have a huge mirror, and below is the drawer, 2 drawers which can act as storage as well. Okay. This is what we have done at Mr. Imran's house so far. We will come up with the final update very soon. You can log into our website www.bonito.in for further details. Thank you.